You want to give him treats? Lola, stay. Stay. Here you go, Bennett. There you go. Here. Give him a treat. No? Oh. Oh. Oh, you like that, don't you, Lola? You sit. You sit, Lola. Okay. There you go. Then give it to Lola. Okay, go ahead, Lola. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Did you like that? And what you want, Scout?
It was pictures of cats and just random shit involved with cats. This one cracks me up. Do not let the cats out. Do not let the cats out. They will try to run out and you open the door. The big one will act like he isn't interested in going outside, then he will.